Most people think cashing out on Mistplay is complicated. But here's the truth no one tells you. The process is actually simple once you know where to click and what mistakes to avoid. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw your Mistplay earnings to an Amazon gift card, step by step. I'll also explain how long it usually takes, why some users get stuck during redemption, and how to avoid losing your rewards. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the Mistplay app and log into your account. On the bottom menu, look for the Shop or Redeem section. This is where all your available rewards are listed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users panic when they don't see Amazon gift cards immediately. That's because reward availability can change depending on your country and account region. In most cases, Amazon gift cards appear as one of the top redemption options. Once you find the Amazon gift card option, tap it. You'll usually see different redemption amounts like $5, $10, or $25. Choose the amount you want based on your available units. But here's the problem. Some users redeem too early without checking conversion rates. Smaller gift cards sometimes give slightly lower value per unit compared to larger ones. If you can wait longer, bigger redemptions are often more efficient. After selecting your gift card, Mistplay will ask you to confirm the redemption. Double-check your email address carefully, because this is where your Amazon code will be delivered. This is where most people fail. They use an old email they no longer access. Then they think Mistplay never paid them. Always confirm your active email before redeeming rewards. In a minute, I'll show you how to avoid the delay that frustrates many first-time users. After confirming, Mistplay processes the request. Some users receive their Amazon gift card code within minutes, while others wait up to 48 hours depending on demand and account verification. When the email arrives, open it, and copy the Amazon gift card code. Then go to your Amazon account and open the gift card section. Tap Redeem a gift card, paste the code and confirm it. The balance is added instantly to your Amazon account. Now here's a useful trick many users ignore. Save your redemption emails until the balance appears successfully in Amazon. If there's ever an issue, having the original code and confirmation email makes support much easier. Another important tip is avoiding VPNs or suspicious activity while redeeming rewards. Mistplay sometimes flags unusual account behavior for security reasons, which can delay payouts. So, here's the bottom line. Withdrawing Mistplay earnings to Amazon gift cards is fast and straightforward if you follow the right steps. Open the Redeem section, choose your gift card, confirm your email, and redeem the code inside Amazon once it arrives. If you've already cashed out using Mistplay, comment below how long your payout took. And if this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple online earning tutorials.